In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a file's version history in SharePoint. This tutorial is designed to guide you step by step through the process so you'll be able to track changes and understand the file's evolution over time. First things first, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. If you're using something like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, it's a good idea to ensure that it's up to date for the best experience. In the search bar, type Microsoft SharePoint and hit Enter. Among the first few results, you should find the official SharePoint link. Go ahead and click on that. Once the SharePoint site is open, the next step is to log into your account. If you haven't saved your login information, you'll need to enter your credentials, your email, and your password to gain access. Now, after you've logged in successfully, you're going to want to navigate to the specific SharePoint site where your document library is hosted. This library is essentially like a folder on your computer, but it's stored online, and it's where your files live within SharePoint. When you've arrived at the document library, the aim is to find the particular file whose version history you're interested in reviewing. Once located, you have a couple of options to access the version history. You can either right-click directly on the file's name, or, alternatively, you can click on the ellipsis, those three little dots just beside the file name. This action will open up a menu with several options. From the menu that appears, you want to look for and select Version History. As soon as you click on this, SharePoint will bring up a list of previous versions available for that file. This version history is an invaluable feature if you're working on a collaborative project or need to keep track of edits over time. You'll see different versions of the file listed along with who made the changes and when those changes occurred. Here you can also view the details of each version individually. This feature allows you to either restore a file to a previous version if necessary, or simply review the changes. It's particularly useful if an error was introduced in a recent update or if you need to see how a document has progressed over time. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed the version history of a file in SharePoint. Remember, version control is a powerful tool for maintaining the accuracy and integrity of your documents, especially in collaborative environments. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this has helped you become more adept at navigating SharePoint. Have a great day managing your documents.